Here's a good example of a problem with the weld-on gravity latch. You see how it's hitting down here? So to get the gate shut, you gotta push on it, right? Well, the solution is to use an adjustable bar like this. So if that was on there, you could adjust it yourself with an 11/16 wrench. Know what I mean? Now the only way to fix it is to cut this off with a grinder. So I'm going to show you how I install it. One thing I did is I reused this receiver side just because I didn't have another one, but you only need one side to be adjustable. You know, if you've done any research on these latches at all, you know that we sell both of these, but you may only need one. Or, you know, maybe this is in a weird spot and you need to make this the adjustable.